how to fix OBS not launching on your Mac. So if you've tried launching OBS and it's not actually been loading, there's a couple different reasons why it might not be working. So the first thing you want to do is go to Folder, and then you want to type this in. I'll leave it in the description down below. So open that, and you want to select all, and then just throw it in the bin, and you want to empty your bin. So once you've cleared your cache, you can give it another go. If it's still not working, what you'll need to do is go to Folder. So now you'll need to type in this. Once you've typed it in, you can double tap. So now you want to select all and drag into your bin. Once it's in your bin, you can right click and then just press empty bin. Go into Chrome and then search up OBS Studio. Click on this link here and you can download for macOS. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, let me know down in the comments below.